Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Walgreens to do our Walgreens must do deals of the week for May 9th through the 15th. So let's get ready to go. I have up to $23, I believe, in registered rewards. We got about $4 or $5 in Walgreens cash, not a lot, and plus we have some Ibotta deal. So let's go in here and see what we got. My mother also, so I'm gonna grab a Kohl's card out of here. So they got a set of stuff. Look at all the nice stuff. I want to grab my sister this because she has a green thumb, but I haven't found anything that I like so far. I was thinking maybe a growing kit. I don't want that to be too much for. They got aloe vera, the little say the bees kits, sunflower kits. Oh, I love sunflower. Okay, so I'm looking to see. We'll find something there. Oh, maybe some liquor. Okay. Here's more card. Okay. So I grabbed mine a Kohl's card. I'm thinking maybe I should grab my sister a Bath and Body Work. She do like Bath and Body Work stuff. And I'm gonna grab my daughter a Home Goods card because she loves Home Goods right here. So I got 3 cards right here. Let's get on with the deals. Look at the flowers though, guys. Look. Those are nice. Okay. But my sister loves living flowers. That's what I'm getting. Our first deal is the It's the Revlon Super Luxurious Lip Gloss or lipstick. This is the one right here. They'll be $7.99. Buy 2, you get a $7 register reward. We have a $5 and a $4 off coupon. We have 2 5s and 1 $4 off. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now to scan and see which one works. Let me scan it now though. So a $4 and a $2 coupon pop up. So if you buy 2 of these, you'll get a $4 off and a $2 off coupon, not the 2 5s. So the deal would be you would pick up 2 of these, 2. And they are the Revlon Super Luxurious. They'll be $7.99 starting on Sunday. You'll use the $4 off and the $2 coupon. Use either Register Rewards or Walgreens cash to pay it down. I did give 2 scenarios, but you don't get the 2 $5 coupons. So you're only going to get a $4 and a $6 coupon. Pay it down with Walgreens cash or Register Rewards or both. Lowest out of pocket. You could either make $5 or you get $7 in registered reward. I still think it's a good deal though. Okay, and my Walgreens does not carry any Outmake products anymore. Now, an honorable mention is going to be the Ajax will be 99¢. The Ajax will be 99¢, and the Palmolive, the small one, will be 99¢. Now, you might get a 25¢ coupon for these, making them 78¢ or something like that. But let's understand, all the time at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, those are always $1. So that is not a big deal. It was before they started carrying Ajax in those stores, but now they carry them, so that's not a big deal. But it's an honorable mention. Okay, so the big deal of the week is the Sherman and the Bounty. Guess what, guys? They have 3 big coupons. $8 off of 3, $8 off 2, and $6 off 3. Be careful of what you clip. Now you're gonna want to clip. Pull this one, the Mega. You're gonna grab 4. You can grab 4 of these if you want to, or you could do the red Sherman. Watch your sizes. Watch your sizes. Or you could do the blue Sherman. And you also can do the Bounty Essential. Now let me tell you, you have to buy 4 of these. They're going to be $4.95. You're going to subtract $8 coupon and one $1 Bounty or Sherman coupon. Let me show you. So this is the deal right here. Okay. Excuse my fingers, guys. They ridiculous. $4.95 should take you to $19.80. You're going to use a $8 coupon and a $1 coupon. Take you to $10.80. I'm going to use $10 in Walgreens cash. I'm going to pay 80¢ out of pocket and did a $6 register reward, giving me $5.20 moneymaker. So the bounty is a good deal. That's going to be great. Make sure you get to it in time. Now, also honorable mention, the Scott is still on sale. That's the deal. That Scott is still on sale. Okay, grab it. Let me show you the coupons for the Charmin. Okay, one pop up. Let's see that $1 coupon pop up for this one. So be careful. You know you need to pull that one, right? Now, three $1 coupons show up for this one. Now, this coupon might not start attaching yet, but let me try the other one. Found it. 26 equal 24 mega Charmin Ultra Soft. It's this one right here. Here it is. There go the $8 coupon. But look, all of those connect. So you want to buy, let me see. Let's go into it and see. Okay, so that's the one you're gonna grab right there. It's batch 3 Charmin. So get 3 blues and then pick up one more of these. Any one. Make sure you have 4. This is a good deal because if you follow the exact rule that I'm telling you and I showed you a minute ago, you pay 20 cents each for these and make a $5.80 money maker. I'm gonna grab that day, so be ready, guys. Now you could use this. It's up to $30 again. There it is, the $5 reward for $25, 10, and you will get up to 25 if you add some more stuff on that day, but you cannot use Walgreens cash, so don't do it if you need the cash. There's that $1 coupon for the blue and the red Sherman, only the red Sherman attached. That's the 99 cents for the household products. There it is again. Okay, so that's their big deal of the week. There it is right there. Buy 4, you're going to get a $6 register reward. That's a great deal. Let's go do another good deal. Let's go to the Pampers because that's going to be a great deal. Also, I don't use Pampers, guys, but I figured it was such a good deal added in here. Okay, so the Pampers right here. There it is. You have, those are the 2 coupons that's attaching. You need to buy 3 of these right here. 3 Pampers, or you're gonna grab 2 Pampers right here and 1 Colgate toothbrush. Let me show you. So keep in mind you're gonna grab 2 Pampers and 1 of these Colgate Oral-B double packs. You're gonna grab that with the Pampers, okay? This is the coupon that's attached. That's the toothbrush. That's the coupon that's attaching $2. So you're gonna have $6 and a $2. Or you're gonna grab 3 packs of Pampers. Now, that's a little steep. So if you want to grab the Oral-B toothbrush and 2 Pampers, that'll be great. Let me show you the deal. Okay. Buy 2 Pampers, 1 Crest Oral-B, the 2-pack. Use of the $5 off 2 Pampers. You got a coupon for that and a $2 Oral-B. Scan before you use that. You're gonna have this. What you should get, $24.99. I would use what did I do? You're gonna take away the $7, $17.99. You should get $10 on $10 on Walgreens cash. And if you have registered rewards, use that also. Or as many rewards or cash as you can. I would use, if I did this deal, this is what I would do. $2.99 out of pocket. $5 registered reward, $2.01 money maker. Okay, Colgate Total is going to be on sale for $3. They're going to be on sale again for $3.99. We have a $3 off 2 coupon that's going to attach to it. Let me scan and see if I still have it. Oh wow, I got 2 $4 coupons that attach, so that's even better. Okay, so this is going to come out to a whole complete money maker on Sunday. You're going to grab 2 of these. Hopefully there's the Colgate. Hopefully one of these $4 coupons attached. You're going to pay $3 out of pocket or use Walgreens cash. You guys know I'm going to use Walgreens cash. And I'm going to get $4 in Walgreens cash back, making that free, completely that day free. Let's do some, it's a Crest deal also, but the Colgate is the better deal, guys. So do the Crest deal if you want to. Crest will be buy 3 at $4. This deal is still going on. As you can see, that's when it's over. Buy 3 at $4. We have a $5 off 3 coupon that's going to attach, making this $7. I will use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $2 out of pocket, and get a $5 register reward back. That's another good deal. making that a $3 money maker. Let's go do some Ibotta deals. Oh, another mention that's back is the $3, 3 for 9.99 pops. They are back. Use Walgreens cash to pay it down. Pay taxes out of pocket, okay? It's going to be Pepsi and Coca-Cola products this week. Okay, so these Swedish fish too for $4, which will last on to the 29th. Every bag you buy, you get a quarter back from Ibotta up to $5. I think that's a good deal, only because I love Swedish fish. And then the next one that you'll get 25 cents back for is the 2 for 3 Black Forest gummy bears or worms. They'll also give you 25 cents. So they're going to be nice and cheap, up to five times. Okay, Finesse shampoo is $2.99. If you guys use Finesse, you can get $1.25 back on each one, up to 5 times. So that's a great idea too. We do not have coupons, but you could check the Finesse website. It might have coupons you could print. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in to Ivy's Coupon Camp. I know I have been MIA for 2 days, but guys, I had no internet service. So thanks for tuning in to Ivy's Coupon Camp. Let's go get those deals. Bye.